Yeah, what you think about people who love beg? Beggy Beggy people, them on 24 hours a day. Every time they see it sitting, they want sitting. Or they want something.
The begging thing, I know a good thing, you see me? They take it as a habit. So I'm not going to break your body. You see me? Don't see me every time I beg me. Because I'm the only survivors on earth. Right? Yeah, definitely, brother. I say go man, I want go man. A whole heap of opportunity out there for young. Some of them can't go hustle, you see me? If a man did the man run short, you see me? Yeah, me give him 100 or me give him 50. But you say for every day, I know say a man will always in the streets and I beg. You know I get nothing from you see me? But yeah, some man out there, some man just up in some dirty clothes and thing, I mean I tell you. If you go check out them background, money pile up, go soup on the house. Yeah. But can't even believe it. You may believe in one woman and hustle.
That's true. That's true. So you think about Beggy Beggy people them?
They do Beggy Beggy.
Eh?
They do Beggy Beggy. People love Beggy Beggy.
They say with the ice cement they want peace.
I want to connect. Now the well see you want, you see me?
You don't know a person's story. In everything you have good, bad and indifference. You have people who maybe have misfortune because of the loss of trusted people and they end up losing everything. Well, on the other hand, you have persons who have made wrong choices. So I'm saying that you don't judge anybody because they don't know their story. So once you know the story, then you can judge. But who are you and I to judge?
It's a street, yo. 20 years I trim people. They grew in the street, so I know what it is. 25 years in the street, same way. So I don't beg off because support me, same way. Can't kill the beggar them too, same way. You see me I deal it. So that's what I think, say. See?
There's some people just love blood clot. Beg.
Well, for me, it depends on who beg me. All depends. Can me work out my money, so I can get about my money, so you know, so far you can work like me. Them love beg too much, I'm depend that. You see me, because I'm some young boy, we can't go look for work. And them come and beg. I understand me, I say, after me, me have the soft part, it's the old people them. You see me?
I see with a sweet sap now, then come out, I beg a piece of sweet sap now.
Better you beg than thief.
Well, I don't know if you say, you know.
Yeah, beggar?
No?
Yeah, beg up say chicken.
Who beg, nah get, who no beg, no one. Beg have no choice.
Well, ask your granny. I know about that part.
So you say if a food they need it for and it look like you really need it, we give them it?
Yeah, me give them it, man.
Or if you have split and a craving it?
No, me no support them thing, I no smoke.
You have no Beggy Beggy brother or sister. Everything you have there want big piece. Eh?
People must not beg. People must go out and work hard and save them money and buy what they want and stop from beg. Begging is inappropriate and modern days now. People must stop from beg.
Then we get pregnant easy, whether you're a man or a woman. Man, I love Beggy Beggy, you will get pregnant. The woman will get pregnant faster.